Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make putty. It's going to sort of be like this. It might be a little more like wet in a way. But it's going to be sort of like this. It's not going to be like crumbly like this one. See, it just fell. I'm going to be using this bowl. Just kidding. It's an itty bitty bowl. But I might make a small batch in there. I'm actually going to be using this. And what you're going to need is a spoon to mix with, some cornstarch. I've just got my cornstarch in a bowl with a spoon to scoop with, some dish soap, and this is just an experiment, so this might not even be like a DIY video on how to make the putty. So mine's just travel size. But my mom said I should use that one instead of the big one. And you're going to need, like, paint. And you can use, like, any of these kinds of paint. Let me just show them off. Like this one. This one. Any of these. Or this is a different brand, but you can technically use any kind of brand. Okay, so let's get started. So first, the recipe I saw was first put in a spoonful of cornstarch. Okay, I'm gonna do something actually. It'll make you like see it more. Oh my god, I just knocked stuff over. Whoops, it eases. Oh my god, you guys fell over. Cooper, it's okay. Nothing really happened. That was bad. Okay, so got the bowl of cornstarch, or corn flour, whatever you call it. Like a small spoonful. Spread it out on the bottom. And then put some, and I don't have exact measurements because this isn't the recipe with exact measurements. So I just put a little bit in, just like a tiny, tiny bit. And you're going to have to do a lot of stirring with this recipe. You have to get it completely mixed. But with this one, I did make this one with lotion, and it's probably going to be like more stiff, but it wasn't the best. So it's technically just this, but with lotion and not this stuff. But you probably could actually use this stuff. So right now, this is too like sticky. So we're gonna add a little more cornstarch or corn flour. Don't growl, dude. Trying to get like a better. Gonna do that every once in a while just so you guys can see it a little bit better. Oh my god, it keeps falling over. It's a little bit annoying. Oh my god, how am I gonna get this done? Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, I just turned all the volume off. Okay. Yeah, I think this should work. So it's like just this blue liquid. Actually, it's not really a liquid. It's more of like a solid sort of thing. You see? It takes a little bit of effort to make this kind of putty. If I said it was slime earlier, it's actually putty. I might have just added a little too much. And at one point, you do have to start mixing with your hands. And I think this is that point. Sorry, just pull up my sleeve. It's supposed to be like more runny than this, so like I'm gonna pick up a little more. You add the paint in at the very, very end. It's actually sort of more runny than it was originally. It's a little sticky now, so I'm gonna sort of dip it in the cornstarch a little bit. Right now what I'm doing is with the cornstarch is I'm just dipping it in there a little bit. I know this is pretty bad filming, but like the best I could do, so sorry. Oh my god. This isn't the greatest. It's a little tiny bit stretchy. I wanted to try to make stretchy putty for you, but with cornstarch making putty, it's not the greatest kind of stretchy. It like breaks the, it like stretches, like you got that, like that, but not greatest kind of stretch. But when you add the paint in, which you only add a tiny little bit, which I'm getting the paint open. And since it's already a little bit blue, when you add the paint in, you're just gonna want to add a little more than you think you need, because once you do that, it'll take away the blue, and the blue might actually make it a little darker. It might help. I think this putty's almost done. I bet I could have made this in the little tiny little bowl. Tell me if you think I could have done that. And you don't need to do the paint. I also do think it helps the texture a little bit with the paint. But you really don't need to, as long you might want to add a tiny bit more dish soap if you don't add the paint. So yeah. Oh my god. It keeps falling over. Oh. I'm sorry about that. I could probably make another batch and add on to this, so why not? And I think this time we might try it a little bit different and add the paint in after we add in the dish soap. We're adding in the dish soap first, then we add the paint in, then we're going to stir that up and make our first little mixture of paint and dish soap. Yeah, and that, a little mixture of paint and dish soap. I think this might be a little darker than the first one. I think this actually might just be plain old enough. Because, like, the only reason I said plain old is just because, like, just one spoonful might just be, it's sort of random, but enough. I feel like I'm not making sense of my words. Yeah, it's going to be darker. Oh my god. But we'll still add it in, and it'll make the original putty a little bit darker. And you will get a little bit of paint on your hands, but don't be afraid to get messy. If you're a little afraid of getting messy, or like really afraid of getting messy, this might not be the project for you, because you're probably going to get quite messy. My god, this is really sticky. We definitely need more. It's the tiniest little bit darker. It made a really good putty, actually. I think I'm going to start playing with this. And it does stretch a little tiny bit. It's quite good. And if you make other colors, you could, like, twist them all together. So, I think that's probably enough. And I could probably twist in a little of this white, but that would make it less cool. So I know this is sort of a long video, but for just a putty making video. So yeah, bye. Can you get my face in there?